We spend a lot of time in our cars, so it is only natural that they will get dirty and require a good cleaning from time to time. Whether it is a deep clean or touch-up on the go, the best portable car vacuums have the power to complete the job with the right tools and accessories to ensure no dirt or grime is left behind. We did the research for you to find the best portable vacuums for your car. There are numerous options for best handheld portable car vacuum, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best handheld portable car vacuum from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner. Despite its small and lightweight build, the portable car vacuum cleaner by ThisWorx has 110 W of suction power at over 9A. Its thoughtful design incorporates a clear, flat bottom for an easy-to-see dirt collection, and there is a built-in LED light for better visibility. Maintenance is simple with a washable double filter that uses industry-leading double HEPA filter technology. Plus, the ergonomic design is lightweight, weighing 2.4 pounds. This vacuum is corded, but includes an extra long 16-foot power cord that plugs into a 12V outlet. Overall, it is a miniature vacuum that is both lightweight and compact. Your purchase includes a complete vacuum kit with multiple attachments, a filter cleaning brush, an extra filter, and a travel bag. The ThisWorx portable car vacuum cleaner is available in your choice of black or white with its signature orange accents. Number 2. HOTOR Car Vacuum High Power Portable Car Vacuum DC 12V16.4. With the HOTOR portable car vacuum, you don't have to worry about battery or charging because it's corded. That cuts down on portability, but that also means lasting power that never runs out and always goes at full strength. The HOTOR portable car vacuum is powered by 8.8A with 12V and 106 watts. At about 1.3 pounds, this mini vacuum is also super lightweight and designed for easy use. And LED light shines an extra light during nighttime cleaning sessions with a detachable dust cup head for easy use. With a stainless steel exterior, its design integrates a HEPA filter with washable and durable materials that are backed by a free lifetime replacement guarantee. You will also receive 3 different nozzles to help you get the job done. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Handheld Vacuum. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Pivot Vacuum is an Amazon's Choice product, which features a 3-stage filtration system. Its key feature is the exclusive nozzle that pivots a full 200 degrees to really get into nooks and crannies. With a wide mouth design, it combines power and detail so that it can handle even your bigger jobs. This handheld vacuum is ideal for dry surfaces and upholstery with a bagless dirt bowl and 35 AW suction power. It comes with extra tools to help you get the job done, like an onboard brush and onboard crevice tool. It takes 4 hours to charge, and users generally report 10 to 12 minutes of use before requiring a charge again. Number 4. BISSELL AeroSlim Lithium-ion Cordless Handheld Vacuum. BISSELL is a popular provider of home products, and their vacuums are a reliable choice for a variety of purposes. When you need a solid but compact car vacuum, BISSELL offers the AeroSlim Lithium-ion Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Designed for a life on the go, it features a sleek, compact design that is also easy to store in your car, office, or dorm. The AeroSlim handheld car vacuum has a 7.2V lithium-ion battery. There are up to 12 minutes of cordless cleaning power before you need to charge via the included USB charging cable or traditional wall charger. Either way, your vacuum will let you know when it's time for a battery boost. With the built-in battery indicator lights, charging time lasts between 2.5 and 3.5 hours. Also incorporated are special features designed for effective cleanings, like dual-level filtration with a washable filter and BISSELL's signature Easy Empty Dirt Bin. Your vacuum comes with a 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush that conveniently stores right on the handheld device. Plus, this is a purchase that you can feel good about, with a portion of sales going to support the BISSELL Pet Foundation for homeless pets. Number 5. Armor All AA255 2.5 gallon 2 peak HP wet. When you want serious power, the Armor All AA255 wet-dry vacuum cleaner certainly delivers. Dressed in the trademark orange and black of a wet-dry vacuum, it is a corded electric vacuum but it comes with a convenient 10-feet cord to allow for extended reach. For better suction, there is a 2-horsepower motor, and there is also an auto shut-off feature, which can come in handy for home use. This Armor All AA 255 wet-dry vacuum cleaner also has the dual purpose of a blower with easy transition between functions. Despite this, it is surprisingly quiet, with a built-in air and noise diffuser to minimize volume. There is a 2.5-gallon polypropylene tank, so there is plenty of cleaning that you can do without having to stop to empty your vacuum. However, all that power does come with serious heft, with this particular vacuum weighing 7 pounds. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.